Pangasinan versus Pampanga. The heatwave start with Ian Melencio, King Gortiza, Michael Mabulak, Lervin Flores, and Bongga Lanza. For Pampanga, Andre Armenion, Renz Alcoriza, Jamo Egilos, Renz Palma, and Chris Lalata. So, gulat dito si Coach Pedic.
Coach Pedic trying.
Labas. Almost a steal. Armenion down on the floor. Shot clock winding down on Pampanga. Lalata, the reverse. Wow, strong.
Talagang natatawagan siya madalas niya ng traveling.
It's Gerson Cabiltes going to his bench early and paying dividends there. Joray Napoles with a big lead. Vic Manuel backing down Jamo Egilos. Hook shot is good. Encho Serrano, MJ Garcia not with them, but this remains a solid unit for Pampanga. Meanwhile, Pangasinan counters. Mike De Gregorio. Tatakbo dito ang Pangasinan. De Gregorio, quick pass. Vic Manuel. The three-pointer is good. 2 minutes remaining here in the first quarter. John Lloyd Clemente is in for Pampanga. What a pass! Setting up Larry Muyang underneath. Ran Knight and De La Salle Green Archer. Larry Muyang. De Gregorio putting the moves on. Gets the basket. Matt De Leon comes out with it. Concepcion has struggled from the outside. Much needed free from Archie. Jensen, 1 out of 12 shooting from free. Hesed Cabo, equally impressive setup job. Papunta kay Napoles. Binabantayan ni Larry Muyang. Great cut by Mike De Gregorio. Jay Collado, bagong pasok. And immediately drills in a three-pointer. Lead back down to 4, 25-21. Ganda naman nung dukot doon ni Vic Manuel. Gregorio. Vic Manuel sa taas. Takes that free and makes it. Wow, Vic Manuel. Nasa loob na rin para dito sa Heatwaves. Archie creating space. Pinagpag lang yung depensa ni Mike De Gregorio.
It's Mike Mabulak.
The cut again. Paundo going right at Mabulak. And then at the last second dishing off to Renz Palma.
Michael Mabulak with that controversial game winner.
Binuya, pumukol sa tres. Yes! Left. Pampanga can hold out for the final shot here, but Palma elects to drive, lays it up and in! From that distance. Great bounce pass. Vic Manuel, binasic lang. Now in transition, De Gregorio lays it up and trickles in. Traffic. Turnover. Pangasinan in transition. JLC is gone on the other end. Mapupunta kay Collado. Tatakbo dito ang Pangasinan. Bounce pass, Mabulak. Collado gets the basket plus a foul. What a sequence. Galanza in traffic. Left it short. Collado able to carve out some space and score. Palma gets it. Egilos, one-hander, automatic. Up to the hype. 52-51. Melencio gets that shot to trickle in. Their basket by Pampanga. They lead 59-56. Backdoor cut. Melencio gets that one. Tres kaling kay Archie. That's huge para dito sa Pampanga. Tatakbo dito ang Pampanga. Binuya. What a drop. Egilos, easy pickings underneath. Rebound Mabulak. Pangasinan down by 4. Tusugo si Hesed Gabo. Whirling Dervish gets the basket. Egilos, balik kay Binuya. Concepcion off the curl. Picture perfect free from Archie. Manuel this time drives. Walang pito. De Gregorio from mid-range. Much needed basket para dito sa Heatwaves. 3:69, Pampanga ahead. Gabo. What a move!
My goodness! Make a play towards the end of their 24.
Gabo, mid-range jumper! Oh my goodness! Hesed Gabo! Manuel. Backing down Larry Muyang. Up and under move. Gets the basket plus a foul!
Was very clutch in the fourth quarter, but Vic Manuel, he was there all throughout para sa Pangasinan Heatwaves.